Welcome everyone to Cosmic Readers. If you make it to the end of the story and want to see more, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends. And if you want to make a shout out to any of your friends or classroom, make sure you send us an email that you'll find in the description below. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello everyone. Today we're going to be reading The Biggest Snowball Ever. And this story is written by John Rogan. It's Christmas Eve. There's snow outside. This morning, Paul and Claire decide that after breakfast, they will go to play with their friends out in the snow. They look through drawers and under stairs to find old clothes that no one wears, then choose the things that they will take to dress the snowman they will make. The doorbell rings, their friends are here, all dressed in cozy winter gear. Then the children make their way to the park this winter's day. Claire makes her snowman small and fat. Her brother's wears a big brown hat. And then Claire grins. She thinks, my brother will be so mad at me. She rolls some snow into a ball and throws it at her brother Paul. He throws one back, but then, oh dear, it lands in someone else's ear. And so begins a snowball fight. The snowballs fly from left and right. Then Paul gets hit by 10 or more and wants to even up the score. He walks and walks and walks until he's reached the summit of the hill. There he rolls a ball of snow and aims it at his friends below. But then he slips. So now poor Paul becomes a part of his own snowball. The snowball's such a massive size, the children can't believe their eyes. "It's bigger than my house!" shouts one, who stumbles when she starts to run. The snowball gets them one and all like a giant bowling ball, with lots of children stuck in there. Oh look, it's caught another pair! The snowball stops. The children shout, "Someone please come and help us out! For if we can't get home, it's clear we'll miss Christmas Day this year!" Claire runs to town. She shouts for aid. Help for her friends can't be delayed. Her friends are looking very glum, their toes and fingers frozen numb. Then neighbors dig with all their might to save the children from their plight. The children come out one by one. The rescue work will soon be done. Then free at last, and since it's late, the children do not hesitate. They wave goodbye, they're on their way, because tomorrow's Christmas Day. At home, Paul says, "I'll always remember my ride in the biggest snowball ever." Before they go to bed, these two have one more thing they have to do. Now Paul and Claire are fast asleep and dream of toys they'd love to keep. They know that Santa is on his way to bring them joy on Christmas Day. We hope you enjoyed the story, and if you did, give us a like and subscribe and share with your friends. See you next time at Cosmic Readers.